Here's what we are looking at on our satellite radar imagery. Tropical storm Agatha is being ripped apart by the shear created by the mountainous terrain through southern Mexico. However, it is going to move into the Gulf of Mexico, and we will be watching for redevelopment. But right now, it's Tropical Storm Agatha with wind speeds of 45 miles per hour, gusts 60 miles per hour, and it is moving northeast at 8 miles per hour. Here's a couple of facts. This isn't the only May hurricane in the Pacific. In the past, we have seen 7 Category 1 hurricanes, 3 Cat 2s, 2 Cat 3s, and even 3 Category 4 hurricanes in the Pacific during the month of May, but only 3 did sustain Category 1 at landfall, and not all of them made landfall. The first landfall above Cat 1 is Agatha, but the earliest hurricane was in 1990. That came on May 15th, and then the earliest Cat 2 was in 1983. So here's a look at our tropical overview. Yeah, Agatha is expected to continue to move northeast into an environment with a 60% chance of redevelopment. That's in between the Yucatan Peninsula and southern Florida, with impacts potentially to Florida, Cuba, and even possibly into the northern Caribbean, such as the Bahamas. That's something we're going to have to continue to keep an eye on. That could happen over the next 5 days. It looks like closer to the weekend, I'd say. But Agatha is going to move into the warm Gulf waters that are at or above 80 degrees. But look at this. There's a lot of wind shear in this area right now. There will be some breaks in the wind shear as we look ahead to the weekend. But the positive thing for us here in South Texas is all of the steering winds are going to continue to take the storm away from us. But that's why this area is an area of concern that we will be keeping in.